In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to images in constant contact emails. Alt text, short for alternative text, is the written description that appears when images don't load and is read by screen readers for people who use assistive technology. Adding it improves accessibility, helps your message come through even with images turned off, and makes your emails feel more polished and professional. Start by opening your constant contact email campaign. Head to the draft or existing message you want to work on so you can make edits right where your image lives. Once your campaign is open, look over your layout and find the image you want to update. Click directly on that image to bring up the editing controls. If you have several images, take a moment to choose the one that carries meaning for your content, like a product photo, event banner, or team picture, since those benefit most from a clear description. With the image selected, open the image settings or image options. Depending on your editor view, this may appear as a side panel, a small toolbar above the image, or an options window. You're looking for the place where you can adjust properties like alignment, links, and descriptions. In those settings, find the alt text field. It might be labeled alt text, image description, or something similar. This is the exact spot where your description will go. The goal is to be concise yet specific, capturing what someone needs to understand the image's purpose without adding fluff. Type a short description of the image. Focus on what matters most, what the image shows, and why it's relevant. For example, smiling barista pouring latte art into a cappuccino is more helpful than coffee. If the image includes important text, include that text in your description. Keep it brief, one sentence is usually enough, and avoid phrases like image of or picture of, since screen readers already convey that context. When you're happy with the description, save your changes and preview the email. In the preview, check that your layout still looks good and confirm that your alt text appears as expected when images are unavailable. This quick review helps ensure your audience will understand your message no matter how they view it. That's it. By opening your campaign, clicking the image, using the image settings to find the alt text field, writing a clear description, and saving and previewing, you've made your email more accessible, reliable, and effective. Keep this habit for every meaningful image, and your campaigns will be easier for everyone to enjoy.